Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the about phone. Like, do you think this is a phone? I think it's more like tablet, okay. So you go to the about phone section and find the line build number here. And you tap on it several times with your finger until you get the message you are now a developer, but I get the message no need. You are already a developer, because like somebody like enabled this mode on my tablet and now I can't disable it here, so I'm an infinite developer. So when you have this mode enabled, you can find developer options here in the system section. And here they are, all of these very interesting and useful and super cool, awesome developer options. Like on normal devices, you usually can disable it here, and when you exit, there's no more developer options here. But unfortunately here, even when you disable it, then you go back to system section and here they are. You're a developer again. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.